Milford South is within Fiordland National Park in the southwest of New Zealand South Island. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and Milford South is visited by over 600,000 people every year. This makes it one of New Zealand's most visited natural attractions, and it is worth it. Despite its name, Milford Sound is actually a fjord, not a sound. It is also the only fjord in New Zealand that is accessible by road. However, its remote location bounded by steep cliffs and dense rainforest mean its special features remain unspoiled. Rain or shine, Milford Sound continues to captivate even the most experienced traveler with its beautiful surroundings, in dark water, gushing waterfall, and captivating views. Milford Sound Maori name Pio Tahi. Milford Sound has a Maori name. Pio Tahi means a single touch after the touch, like Pio bird that is now extinct. This name is linked with a Maori myth. In the myth, the mythical hero, Mui is said to have brought a touch with him from Hawaii. When Mui was cast between the thing of pine with the bow, the goddess of death, drowned in an attempt to win immortality for mankind. The bird feels south in mourning to give its name to the south. European history. The European names of Milford is named after Milford's haven in Wales. Milford Sound was missed by Captain Cook when he sailed along the Fiordland coastline because of the ruggedness of the coastline and the fear of foundering on the mountain apiary rising out of the sea. Cook sailed farther out to sea, and the South Douro entry did not appear to load into such large interior bays. For centuries, Milford Sound could be only visited on foot or by boat. Today, it's easy to reach this remote and unspoiled location from Queenstown.